amazing, Arabella, and today I have something super exciting to share with you all. I've been sent the Nintendo Switch Lite, which looks amazing. I love Nintendo and their Switches are so incredible. I have it in yellow, but it also comes in grey, turquoise and coral. I thought the yellow one looked super nice and I really liked it. It stood out to me. So I've got the yellow one here, and with it I also got the best game in the world, which is Animal Crossing. And I don't know if any of you have played Animal Crossing before, but it is really a good game. I used to play it all the time on my DS, and now I can play it on my Switch, which I cannot wait for. So Nintendo have two different types of Switches. They have the Nintendo Switch Lite, which is the one I have here, and they also have the original Nintendo Switch, which I will be showing you guys very soon. I do have it here, and I do have Animal Crossing on it as well, but I will be showing you guys that one another time. But today is all about the Nintendo Switch Lite. So as you guys can see, here I have the box for the Switch, and I am going to open it up, but on the box it does say that inside is the Switch, obviously, and there's also the charger for the Switch. So I'll open it up and show you guys what it looks like, so let's go. And here is the Switch. It's still in this little plastic bag, so let me just quickly take that out. And here it is, guys. It's so nice. The yellow is actually really cool. It actually kind of matches my top. If you've had a Switch before, you'll know how it works. So it's got the little buttons on the side here. We've got the buttons on the top, on the back. And it's also a bit where you can put your headphones in, so if you want to speak into a mic or something like that, you can do that. And we have the game card, which is where I'm going to be playing Animal Crossing in a moment. So now you've seen a bit of the Switch, I think it's time we turn it on. So once you turn your Switch on, it will give you the options to select a bit of information about yourself, so your Switch can know a little bit about you, such as where you're from, what language you speak, your birthday. So I'm just going to insert that real quick now, and then we'll see what happens after. Set up my Switch, I've connected it to the internet, and I've also linked my Nintendo account. And about Nintendo accounts, guys, if you've had a Nintendo account on an old console, then you can actually put it on the new one, which I just figured out. It is super cool, and all my account stuff is on here, which is amazing. And there you guys have it. That's my unboxing for the Nintendo Switch Lite. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget to comment what other videos you want to see. And if you guys do want to see more videos with my Nintendo Switch, such as gameplay videos on Animal Crossing or any other game that's on Nintendo, then do let me know, guys, because I was thinking to do a few just so you guys could see what it's like. But let me know if you want to see any of those, and I will see you guys later. So bye.